Welcome to This Explainer. Relying on human memory is actually killing your sales. Let's fix that effortlessly right now.
Picture this. A huge prospect calls back, but your scribbled notes are a total mess. Cue the absolute panic.
Manual note-taking wastes time, loses crucial details like budgets, and ruins your professional image. It's a massive information leak. Enter HelloLeads auto-attach call recordings. This brilliant feature silently captures every word, building a flawless verbal paper trail instantly. Finish a call while driving, and the app automatically attaches the audio straight to the lead. Literally zero typing. Need to coach junior reps? Managers can literally just press play on a tricky call to provide expert guidance. For handoffs, an account executive just reviews that attached audio to perfectly grasp the customer's true intent beforehand.
The result? Effortless, hands-free playback right on a unified timeline. It's instantly available across your entire sales team.
Stop guessing. Eliminate endless disputes over who said what. Drastically improve your follow-up accuracy and win that trust. Automate your sales memory with HelloLeads today. Ask yourself, what critical detail will you forget on your next call?